Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Make sure you've unlocked the hunter's dream and can interact with the doll. Once done, gather blood echoes and basic upgrade materials so buying and leveling is possible. You should travel to the Cathedral Ward area first and check shortcuts. This speeds the route. Make sure to speak to NPCs and exhaust dialogue. You'll need to trigger the story flag that allows clothing rewards, so don't skip key boss fights or item pickups. Once you've set prerequisites, focus on the complex loot chain. Farm enemies in defined locations, note the spawn patterns, and open any locked chests with skeleton keys. You must defeat certain area bosses to enable clothing drops or vendor inventory changes. This is why progression matters. Make sure to check purchase menus after boss defeats and revisit NPCs because dialogues update their stock. If an item seems missing, you finish by claiming and equipping the doll clothing through the storage chest or direct inventory. Once equipped, customize in-game appearance. If the item didn't appear, reload the area, return to the vendor, and replay the boss encounter that unlocks the drop. Some items require multiple triggers. Make sure game version and DLC status match required conditions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear autosaves by quitting to title and reloading. This often forces inventory and NPC updates to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.